Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the surface area of a rectangular prism. The idea of calculating surface area is just to find the area of each face and then add them all together. So a face of a solid is really just kind of think of how many sides does it have. Okay, so for example, in this rectangular prism, right here, if I highlight this whole front part, that is one side. And in a rectangular prism, there are a total of 6 faces, or 6 sides. There is a front, a back, a top, a bottom, a left, and a right. So again, a rectangular prism has 6 faces. And each of these 6 faces is a rectangle. So for each of the 6 faces, we will use the formula A equals length times width. And then we will just add them all together. So let's look at this first example. First, I'm going to start with the front of the rectangular prism, which would be this box here. To calculate the area of this front side, I'm going to take 6 multiplied by, well, this would also be 15. So again, for the front, I'm doing 6 multiplied by 15, which equals 90. Now the front and the back always just need to be the same. Next, I'm going to calculate the bottom, which would be down there. And to calculate the area of the bottom, I'm going 6 multiplied by 8. And 6 times 8 makes 48. And just like the front and the back always need to be the same, so do the bottom and the top. So the top will also be 48. Next, I'm going to calculate the left-hand side, which would be over here. And to calculate the area of the left-hand side, I will go 8 multiplied by 15. And 8 multiplied by 15 makes 120. And again, the left and the right are going to be the same. Now to find the total surface area, I'm just going to add all of these values together. And I get a total of 516 square yards. And that is my total surface area. Let's tackle one more example problem. Again, I'm going to start with the front of my rectangular prism. This front side will be calculated by taking 9 multiplied by 10, which would equal 90. And remember, the front and the back always just need to be the same. So they will both be 90. Now I will calculate the bottom. Remember that the bottom and the top need to be the same. So in this picture, since we can't really see the bottom, let's just go ahead and calculate the top, because we know that they're just going to be the same. So to calculate the area of the top of the prism, I'm going to take 9 multiplied by 12, which equals 108. And remember, the top and the bottom just need to be the same. Next, I'm going to do the left-hand side. So to calculate the left-hand side, I'm going to take 12 multiplied by 10, which makes 120. And remember, the left and the right-hand sides are always the same in a rectangular prism. And now I'll add all of these values together. And I get a total of 636 feet squared.